and it starts today. The 2018s are starting to roll in. First one we're going to shoot is this Scout Bobber. Mirrors underneath the grips. This one is in color Thunder Black Smoke. It's the matte finish. Nothing shiny about it, just a bit sinister. This 2018 Indian has a 69 cubic inch water-cooled engine that develops 100 horsepower. These bikes don't weigh a whole lot, so we're talking performance and acceleration. You really have to ride one of these to experience it, and you can do that 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.